Hello friends, I am your friend Amit. Today we will start a interesting chapter, natural and human-made disaster. It is an interesting chapter. Welcome to my channel, my friends. Please subscribe the button and hit the like icon. I will explore you disaster, natural disaster, human-made disaster, case study, flood in Assam which occurred in 2017, earthquake in Nepal 2015, oil spill in USA 2010, and the disaster management and its importance, role of government during disaster. In India, the affected regions of the earthquakes are given below you. It is an important map you can give. It is on place of Nepal. It is also the disaster or earthquake place of Kashmir. So the next thing is, what do you mean by a disaster? The word disaster is meant by an event that suddenly disturbs the normal functioning of the society, causes loss of life and property and damage the environment in terms of disaster. The simple meaning is that disaster is a suddenly disturbed, means it is a thing which suddenly disturb all the things from our life. It loses some people's life and some damages in our environment. It is not good for our. So after the disaster we will study about natural disaster. Floods, cyclone, earthquakes, landslide and droughts are natural disaster. These are the some of the examples of natural disaster. So the human made disaster and natural disaster. The disaster which is occurred naturally in nature is known as natural disaster. Okay friends, these have significant effect on humans population. It affects the human population, roads, building and the environment. Natural disaster are caused by two types of hazards. They are caused by two hazards: geographical hazard and climatic hazard. So we will study about first geological hazard. Geological hazard are caused due to the sudden changes taking place on or under the earth's crust, generally due to the movement of the geological plates. Major and minor shaking occurs on the earth's surface. Sometimes the extent of shaking is so huge that the human settlement and biodiversity on the earth get affected badly. Some of the disasters caused by geological hazard are discussed here. Okay friends, in this geological hazard are due to the changes of the earth's crust, means the changes of climate, anything else that the simple changes. So the first example of the geological hazard is earthquake. An earthquake is a shaking of the ground caused due to the sudden breaking of the geological plates of the earth crust. It is caused due to the geological plates breakdowns in the earth crust, intensity or magnitude of the earthquake. So this is the meaning of the earthquake, and it is also the an earth. So friends, the next is volcanoes. A volcano is a vent of the earth's crust. Molten hot magma erupts after boiling of pressure below the earth. The pressure boiling, the hot liquid molten magma erupts from a building, means like a mountain. It will erupt as a volcano. It is, we call this simple method as, so it is an volcanic eruption. So you have known that the Asia contains the 75% of the world active dormant volcanoes. Means it is active volcanoes. The Asia contain the largest. The world 75. So the next is Tasumi. Tasumi is a Japanese word that means a destruction rider. However, it is a vital word is a seismic sea wave caused by the earthquake under the sea floor. It may also get triggered by volcanic eruption on the sea floors. Means when the rain becomes more. Let's start it. The Tosumi. This is a Tosumi is a simple word. When it rains more, means the sea overflows and it forms the Tosumi. So it is an example of a Tosumi affected area. See how the cars are being affected, how the houses are being affected. So the next is the landslide. The downward movement of the weathered rock material with rock debris and organic material along a slope is known as landslide. When many items means many substances goes down, they affect a region known as this affected region is known as. So now you are seeing a tsunami a means a landslide affected area, how the lands has gone slide. So next we will study about climatic hazard. Now we have studied the geological hazard. Now we will study about the climatic hazard. There are different forms of climatic hazard. These are caused due to the some swidens and major changes in the atmospheric condition, generally due to massive fluctuation of temperature and pressure condition, problem rain or dry span of this spray. Means the changes of the atmospheric condition causes this climatic hazard. So some of the example we will see. So now we will study about some parts of climatic hazard. So the first is flood. What do you mean by flood? Flood is the overflowing or outburst of the water onto land. It is defined as the submerge of the land due to sudden rush of excess water, continuous heavy shower for 3 to 4 days with thickly overcast lead to flood. Flood is common in low-lying river valley plains and coastal areas. See how the area is affected with flood. Flood affects more area. So the next is drought. Drought is a prolonged condition of the excess scarcity of fluid and or this takes place due to scanty or no rainfall. Means there if there is no rainfall, then it causes drought. You can see a drought. See how the droughts become on land without. So now we will study about human-made disaster. What do you mean by human-made disaster? Man is an active agent of change. So man is an active agent of change. Human-made disaster are the event caused by human interference in nature. It is caused by human interference in nature. These can be caused as chemical disaster, biological disaster, terrorism, and accidental disaster. Okay friends, bye bye. So see this image. It is an image of oil spill in Alabama, and it is an image of submerged district of Assam. It is also an example. This is in the earthquake area, and this is the aftermath. See, this is before earthquake and this is after earthquake. Sorry, this one is before earthquake and this one is after earthquake. Okay friends, this is the bone of the fire of the distractions. This one is oil spill area, the coastal region of USA. Okay, bye. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel friends. Bye.